Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making pork rib soup with daikon. Let's get right to it. To start, chop pork ribs and slice ginger. Cover the pork ribs with cold water in a pot and add citron peppers and leek. Bring to boil over medium-high heat. Cook for a few minutes until the pork ribs have changed color. Get them out to instant pot container and set aside. Slice daikon radish and some more ginger. Add ginger slices, diced leek, radish, and enough water to cover the ingredients. Cook in instant pot on meat mode for 40 minutes. Then add ground white pepper, goji berry, chopped scallion, chopped cilantro, salt, and chicken powder. Mix everything well. Serve immediately. Then pork rib soup with daikon is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.